Earth's magnetic poles could be ready to flip. If this happens, Earth's magnetic field could literally turn upside down, and scientists say it may cause parts of our planet to become uninhabitable. Joining us now for more is Alanna Mitchell, author of The Spinning Magnet. Alanna, I've got to ask, what does this mean? Explain the science behind it and when this could happen.
Oh, well, the science behind it is that inside our Earth, a remnant of the Earth's birth is a whole bunch of heat, and it's radiating out inside this molten metallic outer core of our planet. And as that happens, it's creating this great big huge shield magnetic field that protects us from solar and galactic radiation. So every now and again, the field changes direction because there are all these sort of these magnetic factions inside the outer core that want to topple this two-pole system. It's like I think of it as a battle of the titans down there. And when they get strong enough, these two poles have to reassert dominance, and to do that, they have to switch to the other sides of the planet. So the direction of the field changes place.
So we have proof that this has happened before?
It's happened many times, hundreds and hundreds of times before. The last time was 780,000 years ago, when our species didn't exist. If this happens, let's say it happened tomorrow. Right.
What happens to me?
This is a really great question, and scientists are looking at this because we have a little bit of, we have the records in the crust, but we don't, we've never had the pole switch when 7.6 billion humans are on the planet, when we've got this huge electric infrastructure that is our sort of the central processing unit of our civilization. So the concern is that parts of the planet could become inhospitable to life. We're not sure which bits, and the electronic and electric infrastructure that we've built could be conductors for all this extra electricity and magnetic oscillation.
When we say it flips, I imagine something happens immediately.
No, it happens over, they think, hundreds if not thousands of years. So for that extended period, the planet is not as protected from radiation.
So, look, climate change, there are plans in place to help with that. The obesity epidemic, we know certain steps we need to take to help with that. Donald Trump's in the White House, and Kim Jong-un is where he is. There's some people say, just wait it out. There are solutions in place for crises that we face. How do we deal with this one?
Yeah, that's the great question. Well, in terms of engineering, if you think about the infrastructure, there are ways to protect some of that from, by hardening up the engineering. In terms of the planet and how we fit in, we'll just have to wait and see.
You're saying that the biggest main concern for this is the unknown.
It's the thing that scientists are focusing on is the infrastructure, because they know for sure that can be really badly damaged. They talk about us going back into the Victorian ages. Well,
that sounds super. No, we were joking during the break that this literally could happen at any time.
Well, no, I don't think so. Scientists are not sure that it's started. They can't rule it out, that the poles are beginning to flip. The field is weakened about 15% in the last 150 years, and part of it is already reversed in the south. And our North Pole is moving really, really fast. And those are all indicators that there's a lot of extra turmoil in that outer core that I talked about. But in terms of timing, they cannot say that it's begun, and they can't really predict. They don't know enough about it to know for sure when it's going to happen.
Good God, there's a lot unknown. So you're really saying that the one thing we got to do is just remember YOLO.
Oh, I guess.
Right?
Yeah, right.
You only live once.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
I guess.
Alanna, thanks for being here.